Hello and good day, guys. Just want to give you guys an update on the Vietnam Jeepster. Took most of the extra stuff off. Took the push bar and stuff off, the off-road lights. The radio, it had a aftermarket old radio with dials and everything like that. Not quite sure what was going on there, but he had power going in the radio like 3 times over, and I'm pretty sure that's what caused all the electrical in this thing pretty much to fail. So after I pulled that out, I got lights back, just park lights. Then it was pretty much a matter of pulling out the switch panel here and plugging all the harnesses back in and tracing some wires back. So everything in this switch panel works again. We've got headlights, park lights, dash lights work, wipers work. The blower actually works now again. The gauge cluster does work. You know, the gauge cluster should look like that. The face panel just fell off is all. But yeah, it does work now. But the problem I'm having now is turn signals are not working. And I looked at a wiring diagram and hooked it back up the way the wiring diagram showed, and it didn't work. The way the previous owner had it wired up was this was going to the accessory, power accessory on the key, and then this wire here was plugged into that flasher, and then both of these were plugged into that flasher, which it didn't work, A, and B, I'm pretty sure wouldn't have worked. This vehicle does have hazards on it, so there should be 2 flashers on it, but so now it's just trying to chase that. I'm not quite sure what the issue is. My next guess is probably the clockwork spring, but that's probably the best I could figure out. Not much left to do for it for myself. I've kind of come to the opinion that I don't want to sand all this paint away. I mean, he spent a long time doing a lot of work. Some gave all gave some, or some gave all. There, kind of a motto there, memorial motto. But like I said, I don't particularly want to sand away all of his hard work and just paint over it. So I'm probably gonna see if I can't find somebody who wants to preserve this paint and probably has the capacity to do so. I know from what I can show you right there, I think this paint is gone, and I don't think the Smithsonian could save that. So we'll pretty much just have to go from there. If I show you guys later how everything's going and where we go with this project. So let me know what you think in the comments.